Hi everybody. One of the most commonly asked questions I get is which pillow is going to be best for my neck? And the answer is simple but also complicated. It's what fits you properly, your body type, your frame, but also what helps support the normal curve in your neck and the position you sleep in. Now, one of the things to keep in mind is that our neck has a particular curve in it. The arc in the neck is called the lordosis, and it's really important that it is supported in rest, no matter what position you sleep on, be it on your back or on your side. However, if you are a stomach sleeper, you have to breathe. So invariably, you'll be turning your head to one side. That is not ideal for the neck, and it's going to have consequences over a period of time. So in terms of pillow choices, it's really important that you have a pillow that can shape to that ideal curve or contour of the neck. So here's an example of some of the pillows we use. And with this particular design, you can see that there's a slightly higher side and a slightly lower side. So the higher side is for people who sleep on their sides because there's a bigger gap between the shoulder and where the neck is. And if on their back, there's a narrower gap between the back and also filling in that curve in there too. So it depends on what kind of a sleep you are. These ones give you the choice depending on whether you're a side or a back sleeper. So whilst this is a brand that I use and have been recommending for many years, I just wanted to use this picture here because it's a great example of seeing someone laying on their side, and you can see that their nose is going to be lined up with their breastbone, and that we can see that the pitch of the pillow is actually arcing and filling in that gap between their shoulder and the neck. Quite often people have a number of pillows propping them up and trying to fit that gap. Sometimes people, if they're laying on their back, will have too many pillows pushing them into forward flexion. Now, that's a posture that is very problematic for our neck, and it's a very common issue that we see. So that gives you a couple of ideas. If you'd like to know more about the pillows we have here, please reach out. We do try to fit them appropriately to the person because there's different densities and there's a bit of an art to getting the right thing. Anyway, I hope that's helpful, and I'll talk to you soon again. So the other question people ask me is, when should I change my pillow over? When should I swap it and renew it? And there's two parts to answer this question. The first part of it is mechanical. So we need to make sure that pillows like this one that we stock with that beautiful contour of the neck and the memory foam, they need to keep supporting you. So they do have a life. They're actually fairly long lasting. But in my experience, you need to change it over about every 2 years. The other thing about this particular design is it had inserts, so you can either put things in or put things out to change that level of support. The other perspective is about the health of the pillow and chemistry. So us humans, we shed skin cells, and there is hair and there is moisture. And so linen-like pillows actually need to be cleaned. Now, these memory foam pillows you can't actually put in the washing machine, but the best way to deal with that is put them out in the sunlight so that they can air and get that beautiful vitamin D and sunshine to kill some of the dust mites that can accumulate. The other thing you can do is get an allergy-free pillowcase. That helps as well. But ultimately, all pillows should be changed over between 18 months and about 2 years. So if you've got one of these pillows or you haven't got one and you haven't swapped things over, consider doing an update. We are happy to help you fit one of these pillows, and there's a special price that we're going to be doing for these pillows. Normally they retail for $99, but we'll be selling them for $89 for the next 2 months. So reach out if you'd like some help.